Hi, hello, welcome back. Take a look at the present problem. This is from limits topic, which is advanced problem. So I mentioned this one as question number 1, 2022 was in paper 1. So first read the problem. Let alpha be positive real number. Let f from R to R and g from alpha to infinity, okay, alpha to infinity to capital R be the functions defined by f of x equal to sine. Okay, we will copy this. F of x equal to how much they said? F of x equal to, okay, sine of pi x by 12. Sine of pi x by 12. And take a look for the function g of x also. G of x equal to, it was given as 2 log root x minus root alpha whole divided by log e power root x minus e power root alpha. And what he is asking about, limit x tends to alpha plus f of g of x is equals to. If you know how to perform L'Hospital's rule, you can solve this question directly. Okay. First, we need to calculate this g of x value at x tends to alpha plus. Okay. First, we will try that one. Limit x tends to alpha plus g of x, we will find it first. Okay. So, limit x tends to alpha plus g of x means 2 log of root x minus root alpha divided by log of e power root x minus e power root alpha. If you try to substitute this alpha in a place of x, then automatically you will get a 0 by 0 format. So we will do L'Hospital's rule. Okay, so limit x tends to alpha plus. So what is the derivative of log? So we know that log x derivative was 1 by x. Okay, according to that, we will write 1 by root x minus root alpha, and it is multiplied by root x derivative 1 by 2 root x, and alpha derivative, of course, 0. Okay, numerator completely differentiated. And similarly, we will differentiate the denominator also. Again, you can take a look at the denominator. It is also log format. So again, reciprocal, right? So 1 by e power root x minus e power root alpha. So, okay. And it is not x. So that's why we will do chain rule. According to chain rule, we will do again differentiation for e power root x. E power root x derivative e power root x, and root x derivative how much? 1 by 2 root x. And of course, the remaining e power root alpha, which is constant, so its derivative was 0. And C, limit x tends to alpha plus. You can cancel this e power 2 root x and e power 2 root x together. And the denominator of denominator become numerator, right? So 2 e power root x minus e power root alpha divided by root x minus root alpha, and multiplied by how much left here? 1 by e power root x. Okay, now we will substitute limit here in this part. Then it become 2 divided by e power root alpha e power root alpha. X value will be replaced by alpha. Here where I rounded that value, there I substituted this alpha plus. And limit x tends to alpha plus e power root x minus e power root alpha divided by root x minus root alpha. Again, we will try to substitute this alpha value as a value of x. Then again, we will get the 0 by 0 format. So that's why we will do again L'Hospital's rule. So 2 by e power root alpha. Try to differentiate this one. Okay. E power root x derivative, e power root x and root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Okay. And remaining is a constant. So no need of writing that. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. And 1 by 2 root x again cancel. And we will substitute here in this place x value alpha. Of course, this one and this one got cancelled. Finally, the value. After substituting x value alpha, we will cancel these two things, right? So finally, limit x tends to alpha plus g of x is equal to 2. Now, look at this problem. In this problem, limit x tends to alpha plus f of g of x it is, right? And just now we calculated, and we can write f of limit x tends to alpha plus g of x. You can write like this. And this is equal to f of this value we already calculated as f of 2. So finally, our answer will be f of 2. And what is f of x? Sine pi x by 2. Okay. So this is equal to sine pi x value 2, right? By 12. And this 2 and 12 got cancelled. Okay. So sine pi by how much? 6. Sine pi by 6 means how much? Sine 30. Sine 30 means 1 by 2 or 0.5 you can write as the answer. So therefore the answer is 0.5 for this question. So thanks for watching this video. And if you like this explanation, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.